This was not a matter of what comes around goes around for Tirelo. It's about her choosing the wrong man, a wrong boy. Tirelo right now is scared that she's going to get sick and is admitting that she is on pills to prevent her getting sick. And I'm guessing that is PrEP. But PrEP doesn't prevent STDs and other infections, my sister. Hello fam, welcome to Pop Culture Daily News Ninjani. Before we start with this commentary, let's watch this small clip.
He is whatever he wants to do, it's fine. Ngoba inhliziyo ayiphakelwa ifuna yena Jesu. Ayikho into engayiyenza. Like Jesu. So sweet. Uyimbokodo yabo womelele qond mama no man. She loves a man. I just wanted to ask ukuthi nikwazile ukuhlala nami kanje ngenxa yokuthi uma kasengabakho ngiyaphithizela lapha noma if that was not the reason bengizohlala kanje nami sikhulumele nje.
Hayi mina mangikhuluma iqiniso ngeke ngingathanda ukuyihlanganisa kakhulu nabantu babantu yabo angibenza abangani bami kodwa ngoba usuyaphithizela vele sengiyabona ukuthi I should sex serious ngempela ke manje yabo sengingase ngingene.
The double standards from Tirelo are beyond me. Tirelo dated Vuyokazi's boyfriend. She slept with him without using a condom. She got pregnant and gave birth to a child, Usinga, who Mpilo calls Singo, which I found that funny. Now that she's the main girlfriend, she expects Mpumelelo to use a condom with other people. Njani? Because you also didn't use a condom with someone's person. But we cannot overlook the fact that Tirelo is so unhappy. She has accepted a lot of things, but she's seen true colors of Mpumelelo. But for some reason, she can't back down. Like Sissy, if uthatha umthwalo wakho and you leave this relationship, we will not judge you. Like, we understand. Yazi ude athi yena she's accepted Mpumelelo's ways cause inhliziyo ayiphakelani. Uzogula guliswa inhliziyo engaphakelani. Yo, siyamnyamezela udodi guys. Even the siblings can see ukuba gumbhedo nje lo. Kuthiwa uyabona ba uyaphithizela egcekeni already. And that was a little bit shady for Abongwe. She's like, kuba ke sisukubona ubana sowuphithizela egcekeni already. Yo, guys. Mpumelelo is becoming more and more disrespectful towards her, calling her a lion in front of his new soon-to-be wife. Ibithuna was wageza umfana.
You broke my heart.
Inkinga usowawo umuntu uphenduka ibhubesi.
Ngisengibiza ngebest man.
Ibhubesi
You right?
Xola inhliziyo yami.
udliwe inkinga zakhe.
And this new girlfriend is shady as well. Inobocinga banguye i-trophy wife ngoku, just like uTirelo kuVuyo. You remember, guys, because what we know about Mpumelelo, usezokhala naye, it's just a matter of time. And tell me, why is Musa Mseleku not teaching his boys about the importance of wearing that damn CD? Especially emphasizing that to Mpumelelo lo uthanda izinqathe ezidudla. Why? Ndimane ndicinga kuyo yonke le situation kaTirelo ubana inoba uVuyokazi othini. Inoba kasayihleki, inoba uthi yeke Satan. Guys, uTirelo needed her own video. But I am coming back with another video of Izingane Zesithembu. If you liked this one, please like and subscribe, guys. I will love you for it. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.